Hey, I wanted to show you guys this dried fruit garnish variety pack that I just picked up. This comes with 70 different fruit slices. So we have orange, lime, lemon, cute set for cocktail parties, for entertaining. If you just love dried fruits, this is an amazing product for you. Lemon and grapefruit. Each slice is dried and edible. You can put them in a cocktail like I did here. You can use them on desserts, baking, snacking, anything you want really. There are, like I said, 70 plus of those in there. Those are also nut-free, sugar-free, additive-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. It is just those ingredients, just the lemon, the lime, the grapefruit, and the orange. And it also comes with these cocktail picks as well. So you can see that I have the flamingo one here and a fun little palm tree. We also have pineapple and then your traditional little umbrella drinks as well. So this is a cute, super cute